If you want to move files with the PC and the Android LD player, then this video is for you. Now I'm going to show you how you can share the Android file, app files, or if you have added something on the app and you want to share it on PC. Now this is the video for you. What you have to do, click on the file manager which will be in this box. आपने इसको ओपन करना है and then come to the storage. यहाँ पे storage पे आना है, इसको cancel कर देना. No need to type any password. Okay, just scroll down. आपने नीचे आना है, storage पे क्लिक करना है, then click on emulated. फिर आपने 0 पे क्लिक करना है, then come back down, scroll down, and you will see the movies, AutoCap, because I have created a video with AutoCap. Click on this one. Now what you have to do, just click on this one, leave it as it. Okay, इसको click करके छोड़ देना है. Click on this file manager and then click on the Android shared folder. आपने इस पे क्लिक करना है. यहाँ पर आके you see this is the one file is selected which is on the phone. So no need to uncheck anything. Just click on these 3 dots on the top corner. इस पे क्लिक करना आपने and then just copy selection here. File is operation successfully, and click on this one and click Android shared folder, and now just click on the PC shared folder. You will see this file here. Okay, so I have just created this video.
Now I'm reacting on this video, and if you're making this mistake, then you are rejected in any interview.
So this is how you can make this process done. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. More videos are coming for you.